Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we are going to be making a refreshing berry smoothie. This has a fruity taste and it's not too sweet or sour. So without further ado, let's get cooking! To make this smoothie, we'll need half a cup of plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 105 grams of raspberries, 140 grams of blueberries, and 135 grams of halved strawberries. In a blender, we will mix together all of the ingredients. But first, remember to wash your berries. So, we will add in the blueberries, the raspberries, the strawberries, the sugar, and the yogurt. We will blend these together for around 40 to 45 seconds. Once you have mixed together the smoothie, you can give it a taste to see if you need to add any other ingredients. Now you can pour the smoothie into a glass. If you would like, you can also add a little strawberry on the side. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video!